I got you. I know you want to end the live stream. In this video, I'm going to show you how to end the live stream on TikTok. So you want to end your live. This is how to actually do that. So at the bottom of the screen, you can see the plus button right there. So when you click on the plus button and you go live by scrolling and clicking on the live option. So let's take, for instance, you are using a device camera to go live or whatever, either voice chat, gaming, or whatever method. Now I'm going to hit the go live button. So you're actually live streaming on TikTok. So right here on your live stream, just like this. All right, I'm going to turn off the microphone so you can be able to hear what I'm saying. So at the top right corner, you can see the switch button. So if you click on the switch button, you are going to see the option to end the live. So you can actually click on end the live and the live is going to be ended. So this is how simple it is to end your live. There is no two ways about it. Hit the like button now, subscribe and hit notification bell in order to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.